John Silde. Hello.
Wow, you're awake in the morning, huh, John?
Totoo ba iwan mo na lang ang mundo ng showbiz para maging concert producer?
Away, showbiz na showbiz pa rin yata.
Good point, ha? Siyempre yung pagiging artista, yung ganun tipo.
Of course, I'm an excel of acting na. And my heart still belongs to cinema and TV. But this is something else. It's something na parang inuumpisahan natin. Siyempre, contribution na konti sa ating industriya. And eventually, mali mo, when yung mga susunod na gagawin namin, para na sa pelikula or para sa TV.
Wow.
Pero we're starting for concerts.
Ayun.
Oh,
And
but
can you focus?
Very challenging yung ginagawa ninyo. Malaking risk talaga.
Yes, of course. It's kind of hard. Siyempre, nag-uumpisa tayo. And this is actually our first international concert. But we're trying our best and we're doing everything we can. And of course, this is for sa lahat ng kababayan natin na mahilig manood ng concert.
Ayan, and sabi mo nga concert, so kwento mo naman kami about the upcoming concert nila, American Idol, David Cook and David Archuleta. Naku, pwede mo bumili ng ticket ngayon sa'yo. Mukhang big natin talaga ito. Kailan nga ito?
This is on May 16, 2009.
That's like a few days from now.
Yeah, wala.
Sold out na may mga ticket, hindi pa naman.
Hindi pa naman.
Reserve!
Reserve pa kami ng mga 4
Anytime.
So, saan siya?
This is brought to you by the Metro Card Club in cooperation with SM Mall of Asia and of course GMA Kapuso.
Saan magaganapin ng concert na to?
Sa Mall of Asia Concert Ground.
Wow! Saan yung Erasure Head sa concert? They play?
Yes, exactly.
Wow!
Open air ba yun? Are you concerned about the weather?
Yes, of course. Of course, we're concerned about the weather. Pero hindi naman natin maiwasan yung tingnan na lang natin kung ano mangyayari. We're doing everything we can. Of course.
Pero yung dalawang yun, nakausap mo ba personally? Si David at si David?
Hindi pa. We were actually supposed to invite them. No? We were inviting them to watch the Pacquiao match with us.
Okay.
This so happened they're so busy.
Wonder busy, ha?
Yeah, the other one, si Archuleta in London. And
London?
the one naman is nasa ibang state. But, sayang. But, anyway, they're coming here to give us a very good show. And, tickets are available at all Ticketnet and Ticket World outlets.
At magkano? Biglang ganun eh. Oo nga. Para malaman ng mga producer natin.
Yes. Ticketnet numbers po natin ay 911-5555. And Ticket World naman po is 891-9999. For premium seat reservations,
Wow.
you can call Fearless Productions Office at 232-8906.
Magkano yan, Jobs? Yung mga ano?
Yung ticket po natin is 6,000 plus, 3,500 plus, 2,600 and 300.
Not bad at all, ha? That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Maganda kayo nila. Dalawa ng David yan. Oo,
naman.
Two in one na yan. Maraming salamat sa Joey and good luck.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Mukhang successful yan. That's early sa ulit natin. Congratulations, Jobs, sa iyong pagiging concert producer. Huwag mo kami iiwan sa showbiz, ha? We need you. At siyempre, thank you, John. Babalik ko